Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a new account in the new Mercedes Me Connect app and add a new vehicle to your account. First, you'll need to download the new Mercedes Me Connect app from the App Store. Once you open the app, you'll see a text input field to enter your user ID. Type the email address or phone number you would like to use for your user ID. Click Continue. You should then get a prompt confirming the user ID you entered isn't already tied to an existing Mercedes Me Connect account. Confirm that you would like to set up a new account by pressing the New Registration button. Then select your country and language. Enter your personal information. Read and confirm the conditions, and then click Register. Instead of having to remember a password, this app uses a double verification method. You'll now receive a 6-digit verification code to the email or phone number that you used as your user ID. Enter the code in the app and click Next. If you didn't receive a verification code, make sure you check your email spam folder and ensure you are in an area with adequate cellular coverage. Once your code is entered and confirmed, you will now be able to access the app, and you won't need to remember or enter a password each time. Now that you've registered a new account, let's look at how to add your first vehicle. On the next screen, you'll be asked if you'd like to pair your vehicle to your account, or if you said you'll do this later, you'll see this prompt on the home page. Let's go ahead and add a vehicle now. There are multiple ways to pair a vehicle to your account. If you have a vehicle with the MBUX multimedia system, you can quickly pair via a QR code generated by your vehicle. Just navigate over to the Mercedes Me and Apps menu. Click on the Mercedes Me icon, and you'll notice the QR code is shown on your display. Scan the code with the app to initiate the pairing process. Otherwise, you can use your vehicle's VIN number, which can be found on the information sticker on the inside of your driver's side door. Enter the number in the app. As a security measure, this will generate a PIN code to verify that you have access to that vehicle. Then enter that verification code and read and accept the terms of use. If you have an older generation vehicle and are having trouble receiving a PIN code, you may need to contact your Mercedes-Benz dealer for further support. Once the vehicle has been paired to your account, services can then be activated. This step establishes the internet connection for your vehicle and turns on all your connected car features. The easiest way to accomplish this crucial step is to select the Activate All Services button right after you've paired your vehicle. If you'd like, you can toggle individual services on or off as well in the menu. Now that you've added a vehicle to your account and activated your services, the last step for a brand new user is to verify your identity. Basically, that you are who you say you are. This is a security step usually done in person at a dealership, but can now be done right through the app. Without completing this step, important services such as remote engine start, remote door lock, unlock, and others will not function. To verify your identity, you'll need to have your driver's license available. Then select Start Identity Check. Verify you understand the legal terms and conditions. You'll then be instructed to scan the front of your driver's license. Make sure the license is inside the edges of the frame and the image will be automatically captured. Just ensure at this point that the image captured is clear and legible. If not, please try again. Now, you'll be instructed to scan the barcode on the back of your driver's license. The scan function will take place automatically when the barcode is within view. Don't be surprised if this step happens very quickly. Next, the app will conduct a facial scan of your face and compare it to your driver's license. Hold your phone up at eye level and make sure your face fits in the frame. Follow the on-screen instructions as the app gathers your face profile. Once the facial scan is complete, you will be told the upload is successful. Then press Continue. At this point, the security provider will then work to validate your driver's license and facial scan. This validation process may take a few hours to fully complete. If for any reason you don't want to do a facial scan, you can always complete an in-person verification at your local authorized Mercedes-Benz dealership. While your identity is being verified in the background, you're still able to use many of the features of your app, just not those deemed as critical safety functions like remote engine start and remote door lock and unlock, until your identity is verified. Once the identity check has been completed, the rest of your features will be automatically unlocked and ready to use. Your new Mercedes Me Connect account has been created, your Mercedes-Benz is paired, Your service is activated and your identity verified. Now go. Enjoy the ride.